are actually going to the famous Metro Cinema, and right now I'm at CST, which you can see in the background. That's the square, and we'll have to actually cross the road from over there. So yeah, it's crowded. Let's keep going. So to actually go over there, and then we'll be on our way to the Metro Cinema, which has kind of a history. I'll mention the name of the roads while I'm taking the walk. Okay, it's a signal, so better hurry. Let's cross it. Made it to the other side of the road, right across the CST. And now we'll be on our way to the Metro Cinema, which is kind of like a historical place. It's got its own history, and I'll explain it to you while also showing you the place around. So let's go. Okay, I have to cross the road again. So let's move. That's the CST. Well, I could have taken the underground tunnel, but wanted to show you the road. And what I wait is the views like this. That's the BMC. If you see barricading behind me and in front of me, so that's because of the metro work. So I'm just gonna start showing you around. This metro work was supposed to end a year ago, but anyways, look at that. You see those gargoyles? As the beauty, those are the small details of the Mumbai city. So you have to pay attention closely. Now this road will actually take me to the Metro Theatre. Metro Cinema is in fact renovated, and back then English movies especially used to premiere over there, not anywhere else. So in that case, Metro Cinema used to be the place where they would actually premiere those movies in English. So that's the court. It's again hidden in the facade of the trees. Anyways, let's keep walking. I'm kind of like waiting for this whole metro work and the construction work to end, because then you get to see the real beauty of Mumbai. So that's the Kama Hospital, and you're almost there. Look at that. That's the hospital. Like, the Mumbai city has brilliantly used all the buildings from the British Raj era and turned them into different government offices, hospitals, and applied them for different uses. So that way they are kind of like taken care of and at the same time used for different purposes. So that's one other thing about Mumbai. Look at that. So you can see it's showing me marine lines. On to the left, Girgaon, straight ahead, Girgaon Beach, Hutatma Square, Chowk. To take a roundabout turn. That's all about that. So we are there, almost there. Look at that. Another building. This is Skill Development and Entrepreneurship Department. And in this part of Mumbai, you will have subways as well for crossing the streets, the squares, the corners. And that's your Metro Cinema. You can see. So that's the Metro Cinema. Now Metro Cinema was, like I said previously in the video, was used as the place for premiering movies in English and different kinds of movies that were premiered only in Mumbai over here in this theatre. And also the stars used to premiere their movies over here, including Raj Kapoor and the famous stars. They used to come here, they used to premiere their movies, and then they would do the red carpet walk over here. And now it's been modernized. Now it has been fitted up with the digital projection system. Back then it was cellular projection system. And kind of like brief history with that place, the Metro Inox Cinema, Metro Cinema.